All right, it's a setback for Subrata Roy. We're just getting news in that the Supreme Court has denied bail to the Sahara chief. Supreme Court rejects 40 days parole demanded by Subrata Roy for negotiations for sale of property.
These properties to pay the amount as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. The proceeds after the transaction would first be adjusted towards the loan amount from the Bank of China. After that, the remainder amount would be deposited in the account of SEBI. And if there is any further amount remaining, it would be deposited in a separate account. There was also a prayer made by Ms. Subrata Roy Sahara stating that he may be let out to negotiate for these properties. The court has given liberty to the group, stating that if there is any concrete proposal that is furnished before the court, the Supreme Court would then at an appropriate stage consider the proposal and would also see if the same prayer can be granted. ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने आईए लगाई गई थी कि जो 3 प्रॉपर्टी ओवरसीज हैं उन पे से एम्बार्गो हटाया जाए और उनके सेल के लिए या मॉर्गेज के लिए अलाउ किया जाए सहारा ग्रुप को, जिससे कि जो पेमेंट सेबी को होना है वो पेमेंट कर पाएं। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपने ऑर्डर में उस एम्बार्गो को हटाते हुए ये कहा है कि इस पे जो सहारा ग्रुप है वो नेगोशिएशंस कर।
All right, so that's the latest coming out of Supreme Court. It has refused to release Sahara Chief Subrata Roy on bail or parole. We have our correspondent Jaskirat Singh Baba joining me on the phone line. Jaskirat, this is another setback for the Sahara Chief.
Oh, that's correct. This comes in at least half a dozen times his bail application has now been dismissed. This time around, his lawyers are pleading that their negotiations are on for the offshore hotels that he owns, which the sale of which would also help in clearing the money that he owes to SEBI, which is also a precondition to him getting released. The Supreme Court said that we are providing all the facilities possible for him to be able to negotiate. A guest house can be arranged so that negotiations can take place. Video conferencing for outstation clients or people who are out of the country or prospective buyers out of the country can also be facilitated. Meeting time between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. has also been facilitated to allow for such negotiations. So where exactly is it that he's falling short? Which is also another reason why the Supreme Court has refused to give him any full bail, which is what Sahara was seeking. And like I said, their reason for seeking the bail was to ensure that they're able to facilitate the payment that they owe to SEBI.
All right, Jaskirat, we keep coming back to you for more. For now, the Supreme Court has rejected the request of Subrata Roy for parole.